Today I'm going to show you how to compute simple interest in VB, okay, .net. So how do you compute simple interest in VB? Have what is called principal. You need to have rate, time, and of course we shall get our answer here, the simple interest. For example, we are having the principal of 2,000. This can be amount 2,000 shillings, and then also we are having the rate is 20, so we are charging 20. And then how long will it take? Maybe it will take 2 months. So let's compute and see here. When I click, it will be 800. Okay, let's see how to calculate simple interest in VB.net. Let's get started. Come to file, here, new, come to new project. Okay, then it will be Windows Forms application. Then browse. Where do you want to keep your application? Maybe on desktop here. Then I have also a folder on desktop. I have a folder there named simple interest. Then now select the folder here. Now click OK. So our form is here. Go to toolbox here, get label. Okay, get another label. So get labels, and then also get text box. We need to have also what's called text box. Arrange them very well. So this one will be for principal, this one will be for rate, and then you get also for time. Okay, arrange them very well. I told you you get label, and then also you get a button from here, toolbox. You come and click and drop, click, drop. Okay, click and drop. So you name this, right click on it, go to properties, name, here, call it principal. Do the rest, do for the rest. Look for the text, look for the word text. So it has come principal. Do it for the rest, for time, do for rate. Okay, then also this one you name it also compute. Okay, also go to this text box, go to properties. You're going to name them, look for word name here, using name here, call it A. Do for the rest. I told you name this is my A. You can see here, this is B. Okay, this is C, then this is CI, which is simple interest. Also you can name this, call it CMD compute. Okay, after that I expect you now to double click here, then you can increase some percentage here to be seen properly. Now okay, you can create some space here by clicking enter button. Then we say if a dot text equals empty double quotes, then message box, MSG box, that one, dot open bracket and open double quotes, call it principal. Of course it was our principal, it was representing our principal. So principal amount, this is alert message, principal amount empty. In case it is empty, it should alert the user, and then you put a comma, message box style dot exclamation, this one. Okay, and then you put maybe the name of the project. You can put the name of the project, in these double quotes I've opened here. Maybe you can call it simple interest. Simple interest. Okay, I think after that what happens, enter, you say a dot select, open brackets, then you say and from here exit sub, like that. So this one is going to help us to prevent, in case the user forgets to put the principal amount. We can run and see a bit, and I show you what I'm trying to say. So if in case I click here, so if I click, let me click and see. So it will pop up saying principal amount empty. Okay, coming where? From simple interest project. Yes. So let's proceed. So do the rest for B and C, which is rate and time. Okay. So if I put the principal maybe of 200, and then I click compute button, it will say rate needed. Then also when I put the rate maybe 20, user has forgotten to put time. When he clicks, it will tell him time required. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's continue. From there we need to declare our principal. I'm giving it letter P, I think, so as double. Okay, also declare the rest of them which are made. Copy this and paste down and change here. So this one will be our rate, this one will be, the next will be time, and the next will be a simple interest. Okay, SI. So why are they showing errors? I think here these are errors here. So let's call them, let's use them. So when you say principal is equals to val, open bracket, a dot text, this error must go for P. C, I think, correct, perfect. Then also let's call R is equals val, okay, open bracket, B dot text. Okay, so if you observe here, when I click, it's going to go away. Okay, do it for the rest. For Control Z. We are continuing. So we are going to call, I'm going to from here, then from here I'm going to call the formula SI. I'm going to introduce the formula. From here I'm going to introduce the formula. Then after that you introduce the formula of simple interest. SI is equals, so SI is equals, so it is principal times, so you say shift with that star, shift maybe is on 8, depends on the keyboard of your manufacturer. So I'm using shift 8. Okay, so principal times rate times time. Okay, divide by 100. Okay, and then where do we need to display our answer? We need to display our answer here. We need to display our answer in D. Of course, here I told you name this. So if right click, we check the labeling of this text box from simple interest is called under the name is called D, I think. So come back here, double click here, we go down. We want our answer to be displayed in D dot text is equals to the simple interest, which is here. So let's test this code and see if it is working. Always don't fear errors. In case you have errors, It is good you learn by making errors. So let's run and see. Yeah, we are continuing. I told you we are testing. We are having the principal 400. The rate maybe we can have 20. Don't fear errors. If I allow errors, it is good to run by errors. So our time may be 3. Computer and see. It's giving 0. Oh, I don't know why, but let's check our code and see. It troubleshoot. Oh, I see here. It's here. We are forgetting. We are having principal. We are having rate. So we can put time, which is T, and TZ, and represented by text box C. So let's run again and see. So we are having the principal 400, the rate of 20, yes, and then our time might be 3. Computer and see. I see 240, correct. So thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Always subscribe, share.